Hello, hello. Today I'll be trying to relearn how to code. My focus will be C++ because at one point in my life, I was indeed a C++ enjoyer. But at the moment, I've forgotten everything. So in the meantime, I just found this website called CodeWars. It's kind of like Duolingo in a way, but with coding, and a lot of stuff seems a lot harder than what I expected. I kind of looked at it yesterday. I didn't actually complete any coding activities. I was just looking. Hello! Alright. So, we are gonna go for the easiest. Obviously, because I don't know how to do anything else. We'll just go for everything. And for languages, let's just focus on C++. So I was looking at this one yesterday. This one seems the easiest. I didn't actually do it. I just went to solutions just to see how it kind of worked. I think I understand. So instead of going to multiply, let's pick something else. I definitely did this when I was learning, as a school project, a palindrome. I don't remember how to do it. Calculate BMI. That seems easy enough. I think. Okay, implement this function. Right? Function BMI that calculates the body mass index. BMI is weight over height squared. If BMI... I forgot how to do squares. Or powers. That's what Stack Overflow is for. We can just use that. If BMI is less than, return underweight, normal... Oops, I did not mean to click that. Overweight, and if it's greater than 30, then obese. So... I'm assuming they're gonna give us the weight and... the weight and the height. So, okay. We need BMI value. It has... oh, it's a double already. Okay, so then that means, if I remember, that it can do decimal division, because I remember that you can't a semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon. Sometimes it would truncate the decimal values if it was not the correct data type. We'll just have an equal to h, so that is easier for me to understand what I'm doing. I don't remember how to do power. Alright. Exponents. It's C++. Is there a function? Let's see. There is a function. Okay. Can this work? Height and then 2.0. Maybe I'll put return. for the test, I'm just gonna put return. This is how you do it. I don't remember. I don't remember anymore. I was kind of hoping that CodeWars would be a little bit more beginner friendly, but I guess it's not. Like, you definitely need at least a little bit of a background. Do you put a semicolon after return? We can just test it right now. Error. Oh, right. So I need to declare the integers, or not integers, the values. Double semicolons everywhere. Yeah. Pretty much. Error. I think BMI value also needs to declare. There's a way where you can put like commas in between. I think it's like double comma weight comma like BMI value, but I don't remember really. Let's try this. So, fun fact about me, I guess, the first programming language I didn't really learn it because my teacher was really bad and he got fired literally the next year. Do I need a library for cow? He got fired the next year, but it was Java. And I did not learn a single word other than like print. It's like print ln to print a line. Okay, I do need to include like a math.h. When in doubt, also use Stack Overflow. Let's see. We don't need that. I just took that from Stack Overflow. Expected. Oh, another parentheses. But yeah, so then Stack Overflow is kind of like, I want to say like Yahoo Answers, if anyone remembers. Yahoo Answers, but for coding. And for math sometimes. There's like Math Overflow. So you can ask, it's like a forum where people ask a bunch of stuff. Error, no return value of... Oh, okay. How do I return a double value? It's like where you ask a bunch of people stuff and they'll answer it for you. They're like, hey, I want to do this, but this is my code. Can someone give me any like suggestions? It's great. Stack Overflow is wonderful. It wants a string. What if I just change this now? Actually, I remember doing this a lot. It's like a comment, you copy and paste it, and then you just change this value. I don't really use it that much anymore because I don't code anymore. I never really enjoyed coding, to be honest. Expected unquote. Wait, does see out work for this? Maybe I can see it out instead. Is that a thing instead of return? Let's see. Is it like this? I forget which way the two arrows go. See out in C++. Perfect. Okay. And I do really wish that they had like a coding thing for like complete beginners who don't know anything. Like for this, you have to know at least something, or you have to know where to go to find it, I guess. Will it see out stuff? So it's not even detecting. Because I think I need this. How about now? Okay, I don't know. I don't understand this. You know what? Sure. Let's just go with it. And this is very. I've been told when in school, like trying it all at once is very bad. But you should like test it incrementally. But I don't know how to test it anymore. I definitely need math.h for the power. If. How do I write if statements? Hi! Welcome to the stream where you watch me suffer. How do I write if statements? If and if else statements. Let's see. Okay. I remember. It's this. Is that greater or less than or equal to 8.5. I don't know if this will work. Hopefully this will work. Then return. First string, do I underweight? No idea if that's gonna work. Semicolon. Let's see. If it is less than or equal to that, and then the next else if, I think, then 25.05. So how have you been, all of you? Do anything exciting yet? Have you eaten any fun foods? Is it very cold where you are? I'm not used to the cold. I spelled return wrong. That's still wrong. Return. There we go. We're on a break. Do anything exciting? Just finished finals. Congratulations. Same here. I just finished. For my school. It snowed. Is it pretty? The only time I've been to a place that snowed, I was in the middle of a snowstorm for one day. The next day was so beautiful, but then it was so cold. When I arrived to the, like, yeah, we finished. When I arrived to the place where it's snowing, this was a few years ago. It was a snowstorm. I am very not used to cold weather. I'm very much like dry desert. That's what I'm used to, is just dry and desert weather. Oops. Okay, that's not it. Yeah, it was getting in my eyes, and I was like, okay. I went to snowboard. I was kind of young, so I put on my snow goggles, or snowboarding goggles, glasses, so that it wouldn't get in my eyes. My eyes were like tearing up because of the amount of snowflakes. And then you could see, like, if it landed on your clothing, you could literally see. I've also gotten like a nice hat. I don't know, a nice fluffy hat would be nice. But I don't live in a cold place. And probably not gonna go to one soon. You just put else and then return. Turn. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they're like sunglasses, but like across your face. They're like safety goggles if you're in school, and fluffy boots, waterproof fluffy boots. If they are not waterproof, that's bad. It will soak through, and then your socks will get all very cold and wet, and it's just gross. Is this gonna work? Okay. I don't know how to return a string anymore. Exactly. Waterproof on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Alright, Stack Overflow we go. Okay, for like a torture tactic, would you prefer like cold, like if it were on yourself, would you prefer like cold wet socks or like hot wet socks? Or like hot wet socks on a hot day and cold wet socks? What's the return type? I think it should be string. Right? I don't know how to return a string because I'm trying to look that up right now. Is this string? Yeah, I mean, that's true. If it were like hot wet socks, at least, I mean, it'd just be like extra sweaty. That's pretty much the same thing, like just sweating. How to return a string? Let's see. Do I have to like assign it a string and then return? Yeah, I think I do. I probably need like string, like just S1. Then just put like underweight. Also, I know like in my last stream I mentioned doing a ring fit stream. Unfortunately, that's not gonna happen anytime soon just because of like living situations and space-wise. But it will happen next year, I promise. I will do a ring fit. And I don't know, maybe Chat and I can work out together because I personally need it. I went up the stairs to my house. Was I out of breath? Yes, very much. It's not good. My parents like recently got just like a few days ago, they bought like a indoor, like those bicycles, like a spin class bicycle things. What's streaming? A Ring Fit. It's like that Nintendo Switch game. It's like Wii Fit. You just exercise with the ring. But yeah. Have you heard of the game Ring Fit? Have you tried it? It's actually really tiring. So my parents got like the spin bicycle thing just 2 days ago. They just assembled it today, I think. Or like yesterday night. I don't remember. It's like the remote is Mario Kart. Yeah, it's a big ring. I got it over the pandemic because I felt like I was actually pretty active over the pandemic because of Ring Fit, but now that I'm back like at school and stuff, try not to become a completely failed engineer, you know? Let's see, maybe this will work. Let's test it. Did I spell? No, I didn't. Do I have to declare like this? Is this a thing that I have to do? So it works. Well, okay, it runs, I should say, without any errors. That's progress. Simple tests. Should pass all simple tests. Failed. Execute failed. Okay. Expected equal to overweight. So, something to do with this area. If it's less than or equal to 3. Sure. Let's just add another if statement thing here. I kind of want to experiment with more stuff. I will have an Animal Crossing stream soon. And I'm so excited for that. I am excited for people to see my island and find out that I am a hoarder online. I need help getting rid of stuff. So I will be doing an Animal Crossing stream maybe in 2 weeks from now. Yeah. I hope everyone, since we're done with finals, I hope everyone's getting enough sleep. My sleep schedule has been messed up, but I have been getting enough. Let's see. Can I show all? Past 0. I wish they would tell me what they were inputting. That's understandable. Sometimes I also get like random insomnia, but I think it's very highly connected to my like anxiety levels or if I panic a lot that day. So there's something wrong here or here. Maybe they're doing like a boundary case where it's equal to 30. Does the power function return a decimal value? I don't know. Does this work? Oh, that's true. It doesn't say. Instructions do not say if it is in inches. I think it's either like truncating something here where it shouldn't be, or I don't see how this can be messed up though at the moment. I'm gonna be stuck on this for like 3 hours. Will I even finish this on stream? It's the easiest challenge. So this is giving me an error. So that can't be it. Can it? Expected parentheses. That doesn't make sense. Because I already have. It goes through all of them. Is it not if else? Print the second if case. Oh, so should I flip them? You just said a bunch of ifs. But the thing is, if it goes through a bunch of ifs, then it would go through all of them, right? Well, just try a bunch of ifs. Because the thing is, if it's like... Maybe... Sure. Let's go with the instructions, like, directly. Test. Nah, it still doesn't work. I know. I wish they would tell me what they wanted to input. Like, what is W and H? So I could like test it out better. But I can unlock the solutions down here, but I don't want to. I feel like I'm so close. But this is the life of a programmer. I might try a brute force method instead of using the power function. Just multiply, because height is not going to change, so I just multiply height by itself again. Maybe that will work. On the asserts? Wait, where? My dub? It says like expected value and like what my code actually returned, but I don't see the test. Bottom right. Oh, here! It's in front of my eyeballs! I'm stupid! It's right here! Oh, okay. Thank you! Oh, what's wrong with me? I'm so stupid. Why didn't I see that? Thank you. So the third one, I believe so. So let's see. So actually, let's calculate it by hand. $1.6. $5.6, 2.56, and then 200 is 70. Okay. $2.89. Yeah, okay, so the result, I just calculated it. The result is 2.9.89, which is... No, that should be overweight. No, I think this is correct. So this third value is equal to 2.9.8 something. And for some reason it is saying that that value is over 30. I then believe that this has something to do with the equation, like taking off or like rounding the decimal point somehow, like truncating it so that it is above or equal to above 30. I don't know how to print the values though. I tried earlier and I couldn't get it because it said like, oh, it's expecting a string instead of you mean do I have to change that to std cout? Let's test that again. Log? What? Can I not output this value? I think it is rounding up. But even then, for some reason, when it's rounding up, it reads it as like 30 or above 30, not equal to 30. I can't figure this out. This part. The 18 is a BMI. What do you mean, like this part? Oh! Then I think it's doing this one, so then... What if I get rid of this? Oops. And then we can test it. Try it again. This is why I could never be a programmer. 30. So it's reading as 30. Which is fine. Because it should still return overweight. But it's equal to. This is valid, right? It's equal to 30. What if I get rid of the decimal point? Okay. But if it's giving me 30, why is it wrong? You know what? Screw this. Let's try that. I will force the answer. That's so weird. What if I try that? That's weird. It has to do with like the decimals behind this. Alright, well, let's test all of them. And then we can look at other people's solutions afterwards. Okay. Do I press attempt at the bottom? Well, you can't see it because of my... Gee, I'll move it here. There we go. It's the bottom. This is like attempt. Just press attempt. Great. You may take your time. Submit when ready. I'm not submitting this to the public. Tell me I have to submit. I don't care about rank. I'm just doing this for fun. Sure, let's see other people's solutions. Why? Oh my gosh. But I thought I couldn't return. Like, this is just so much better. I thought I couldn't, like, return. I tried returning the quotation. Or did I do single quotes versus 2 quotes? And then they got rid of this, which was already given. Just a bunch of if statements, that's fine. Maybe it was just this? Was it just because... Okay, no, a float. They made it a float. Maybe that had something to do with me. It probably had to do something with this. Can I try it again? Oh, did it get rid of my solutions? Oh no, it's still here. Okay, I'm just gonna experiment with this then. Because I don't understand why. I mean, this has to be float. And then I'm getting rid of that. Okay, that's not. And then we'll actually put 30. Okay, I just need to make it a float. Dang it. Well, problem solved. I would consider this a success. How long did this take me? How long have 45? Well, I guess I have an opening screen. That took me 40 minutes. And then someone else made it like 3 lines of work. That took me 40 minutes. Alright, if you need to sleep, go ahead. Like, the VOD's still gonna be here. I don't want you to stay awake. Or... Let's go back to C++. We'll do one more challenge, and then I think my brain will be fried by then. Let's maybe do an easier one. Beginner, reduce but grow. I'm curious. An array. I haven't worked with arrays in a really long time. Given a non-empty array of integers, return the result of multiplying the values together in order. Example. Okay, I think I've done something similar like this before. That was probably like 4 years ago or 3 years ago. I don't remember. But this may take another 40 minutes. But I can do it. So it gives me a vector. I guess I would have to make... I'd definitely have to make a for loop of something that would go through the vector. I'd have to get the number values in the vector. Like how many I get integers in the vector? How do I say numbers? How many spaces? So like, for example, I have to get 3. And then after that, I think it should be easy. I just make like I equals num, like vector, or call it numvec. And then... No, this would be 0. No, I would not equal to be 0. Okay, no, it would be numvec. And then the condition would be like if I is less than or equal to zero. No, if I is less than or equal to numvec. Whoa, that's not what I wanted. And then it would increase. No, it would. No, it would be 0. I is equal to 0 is less than numvec, and then I would just increase. There we go. So that's how I get values. I don't know how to get the number of values in a vector, though. Back to Stack Overflow. Size. Oh, size is a function. That's a thing. I think this is the thing. Hold on. No, I don't want to search this. Now we'll comment this part out. And then this will create another int. We'll call that J. And pound include a IO stream? IO stream, I think. Yes, there's no dot. This one. And then let's just return J. I have to use this thing again. I don't... There we go. It's not returning what J is. Do we need like a return 0? Three. Lovely. Okay, that works. So this does work. So then this would be that. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I wanted J. That's an I. And then I would need to grab the value. So we'll put like int results or something. I don't know. Semicolon, don't forget the semicolon. Result is equal to nums and UMS bracket I plus result. Do I need to declare like result as equal to 0 before this? Just in case. And then let's see out result. Oops. Unused value. Why is it unused? It still does compare. How do I write a for statement? For oh. It's because I wrote it wrong. Okay, let's try this again. I always forget the std : Let's test. 6. Hey, it works. This one was a lot faster. Okay, let's try for all of them then. Just turn the result. Let's test. Expected 16. So the second one doesn't work. Actual value. Oh wait, it's multiply. Okay. Expected equal to 6. Actual is equal to 0. Get rid of this then. How do I reset it? Oh no, because I have it. Then I should have result equal to 1. Because it doesn't matter. Let's test. Woo! I got it! This one was so much faster. Alright, let's check. Let's press one more time, just in case this thing broke down too. Okay, I got it! This one is so much neater, nicer. Actually, we can get rid of this. I think. Because I am not seeing out anything. Yes. We have got it. Submit my attempt. Or press attempt. I guess I'm not going to submit because I don't want the public to see my horrible coding. But I did it much faster. Show me other people's solutions. Wow, one line. I don't even know what C begin. C end. Yeah, I wouldn't have been able to do this by myself. So this person did something like me. Auto X. I've never seen auto before. Auto X, Auto X. So 2 people did that. Interesting. I've never heard of Auto X with my time learning. Alright, do I suffer and do another one? Let's if I find an easy one, I'll do it, because a very, very easy one. Like, the other one was fine. That took me like 15 minutes, roughly. That's okay. Everything else, the one before, granted, that was the first one that I've done before getting back to coding. Yeah, I don't know. Function 1, Hello World, the classic. Hello World. Simple multiplication. Sure, let's see how simple it is. By 8 even, or otherwise 9 works. What? Oh, just multiply by 8? Okay. Let's see. Hello World traumatized me. I know that when I like graduated high school, or if it, I don't know if it was me or like one of my friends or my brother, someone put like Hello World as their senior quote. I didn't put anything for mine, but I thought that was kind of funny. But also, yes, I've heard that word too many times. Why does it have to be Hello World? Is there like historical reasons why that has to be Hello World? Like, I'm curious now. I know like the birthplace of the internet is like UCLA. Is that what they first sent? Is it to Stanford? Did they send it to Stanford? I don't remember. Someone told me the story about them sending a message on the internet to... It was UCLA, because I know that they advertised themselves as like the birthplace of the internet, and someone else, another college. Siri, can you tell me hello world? Okay, if you do have like a Google, like an AI assistant like Cortana, Google, okay Google, Alexa, and Siri. Like, I always, if I'm around this, I always ask it to read me a bedtime story because I'm just curious what they have. And sometimes if you ask it, tell me a joke, and they'll tell you like a dad joke. Result equal to 9? Why? How does it even equal to 9? Moody high schooler. What's that, like something divide by 0 cookies, and it's like, you have no friends. Have you ever told, like, your iPhone assistant or Android assistant, like, I love you? Because I have as a kid. Or like, you're my best friend. I mean, I actually, obviously, I don't believe them as, like, my friend, but I just want to see how they reply. And it's funny. Why is it an 8? Or, I mean, 9? That doesn't even make sense. 2. Wait, no, 1 times 9 is not equal to... Not... What? Expected value. Okay, 1 times 8 is not equal to 9. Am I supposed to be adding them? Stop. Actually, Siri wasn't that mean. Oh, I have to get if it's even or odd number. It's about multiplying a given number by 8. Oh, okay, I have to find if A is an odd number or even number. There's a way. It's like if you divide by 2 using the modulus operator, is it called an operator? Then you could find if it were even or odd. So we'll put like int e underscore o for like even or odd. No, that was supposed to go in Stack Over. Yes, so it is the modulus operator. And then if I take... So put if a modulus 2 is equal to 0? Oh, it should be equals. Not assigning. We're not assigning the value. You know, I'm gonna mute my mic and test it out and see what Siri says. If I'm gonna ask, like, you're my best, I'm just gonna say, hey Siri, you're my best friend. Okay, I'm gonna mute my mic for that just in case anything is, you know, not necessarily stream appropriate or if it says stuff. Oh, I am still muted. I'm sorry. I was talking to no one the entire time. Sorry. Thank you for telling me. So I was just talking about like coding styles. I need to remember to not to unmute myself. I'll remember next time. But I was talking about styles about when I was in school, they had us do this. They told me that this was like a neater form of. Well, Siri said. I forgot. I hope so or something. It's actually quite nice. Actually, I'll just ask it. Siri did not say anything like that would be not stream appropriate, so I'll just do it out loud. No. Hey Siri, you're my best friend. I don't know if you can hear that, but Siri said as much as I can be. Yeah. I think Siri is quite nice most of the time, except when you piss her off. It is. But anyways, I did get this, and then very happy. This was pretty fast. I was talking about how like insane people are gonna find a way how to do it in one line, and of course, someone did. I don't even know what this question mark is. Yeah, I don't know what this question mark is. What even is it? What? Emojis. I don't know what this is either. See, this is like my level type of thing. Other people are just too smart, honestly. What is this? Anyway, sorry for muting earlier. Well, we did 3 challenges. The first one took way too long. So for now, I think this will be the stream for today. I kind of want to stream tomorrow around the same time, 2:30. I will be playing Wonder Boy again. That's the platforming game with like the dragon and the mouse and the fish. So I'll be back to gaming tomorrow. I hope everyone has a nice day. I hope you sleep well, stay hydrated. Thank you for coming to the stream. I'm sorry for muting. I hope this was an okay, entertaining stream. I know coding isn't necessarily everyone's jam. Okay, bye.